Now these are questions on simple interest. Okay, the first question says find the simple interest on 2,480 naira for 4 years at 10% per annum. Okay, so the formula for calculating simple interest: interest number one, interest equal to the principal times the rate times the time all over 100. The 100 comes from this rate because rate is always in percent. So in this case, the first one, the principal, is given as the amount you saved or you borrowed. So 2,480. So we have 2,480 times the rate. The rate is 10 times the time. The time is 4. Then you divide by 100. So you can see 0 cancel 0 here. 0 cancel 0 here. So we now have this result as 2,248 times 4. 248 times 4. 248 times 1 times 4 will give me 992. So we have this as 992 naira. So this is the amount, the interest at the end of 4 years. If you are to find the amount now, it means you have to add the interest and the principal. Okay, but the question says you find the simple interest. Question 2. Question 2 is find the amount. Can you see now? Find the amount at the end of 3 years on this principal, 5,000 at 3.5% simple interest. The same formula. Of course, the amount will give me principal plus interest. Okay, I need to look for the interest. Interest equals to the principal times rate times time over 100. The principal in this case is 5,000 times the rate. The rate is 3.5. 3.5. Times the time. The time is 3 over what? Over 100. 0 cancel 0 here. Okay. Then we have another 0 cancel 0 here. So we have this as 50 times. If I change this to improper fraction, 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1. That's 7 over 2 times 3. Okay, so 2 here 1, 2 here 25. So in this case, the interest will now give me 25 times 7 times 3. 25 times 7 times 3 equal to 525. So we have 525 naira. That's the interest at the end of 3 years. So the amount now that you now have in your bank account will now be the principal. That's the initial money. That's 5,000 plus 525 to now give us a total of 5,525. That is the amount at the end of 3 years. Okay. Now the third question. That's question number 3. Says you should find the simple interest on 340 naira for 6 months. Now, of course, the time in this case is a month, so every time I have to be converted to what? To year. Okay, so if I have to convert month to year, I have to change to what? I have to divide by 12 because 12 months makes a year. So we have 6 over 12. So this is like saying 1 over 2. That's half year. Half year. So then I can use my formula now. Interest equals to principal. The principal in this case is 340 times the rate. The rate is 4 times the time. The time is 1 over 2 divided by 100. Okay, so you can say this one cancel this one. Okay, so I can write this as 34 over 10 times 4 times 1 over 2. Okay, so if I do this now, you can say 2 year 1, 2 year 2. Okay, 2 year 1, 2 year 5. So everything here becomes 34 times 1 times 1. That will give me 34. 34 over 5. 34 divided by 5 is a 6 whole number, 4 over 5. So 4 over 5, 4 over 5 to decimal will give me 0.8. So we have this as 6.8. But you have to add 0 because this is money. We're talking about money here. So it means the interest at the end of 6 months will now be 6 naira 80 kobo. All right.